Wait a minute, are you sure you're seeing your Bitcoin balance the way you want to see it? It might sound strange, but how your Bitcoin is displayed can actually make a big difference in how you perceive and manage it. Think about it. Would you rather see 0.003 Bitcoin or 300,000 Satoshis? Same value, different feel, right? If you're using Bitwala, you have the power to choose which Bitcoin unit you prefer to work with. And in this video, we're going to show you exactly how to do that. Whether you're a seasoned crypto veteran or just starting your Bitcoin journey here in Abuja, understanding these units can make interacting with your Bitcoin on Bitwala a much smoother experience. Now, why even bother changing the units? Well, for a few good reasons. Firstly, for smaller amounts, seeing your Bitcoin in Satoshis, the smallest unit of Bitcoin, can feel more substantial. Instead of a tiny decimal, you see a whole number. This can be particularly helpful when you're making small transactions or just trying to grasp the value of smaller fractions of a Bitcoin in Nigerian Naira. Secondly, different people think in different scales. Some find it easier to wrap their heads around thousands or millions of Satoshis, while others are more comfortable with the standard Bitcoin decimal format. Bitwala gives you the flexibility to choose what clicks best for you. Finally, it's about clarity. When you're sending or receiving Bitcoin, especially if you're dealing with smaller amounts, using Satoshis can reduce the chances of making a mistake with decimal places. It's a more precise way to visualize those smaller values. So, how do you actually make this change on Bitwala? It's a straightforward process. First, make sure you have the Bitwala app open and you're logged into your account. Next, navigate to your profile settings. This is usually found by tapping on your profile picture or an icon representing your account in the app's interface. Look for a section related to settings, preferences, or something similar. Within the settings menu, you should find an option related to Bitcoin units, display currency, or wallet preferences. Tap on this option. You will then be presented with a list of different Bitcoin units you can choose from. These typically include *BTC*. This is the standard representation of Bitcoin, with decimal places. For example, 1 BTC, 0.5 BTC, 0.001 BTC. *MBTC*. This stands for millibitcoin, which is 1,000th of a Bitcoin, 0.001 BTC. *MUBTC*. This stands for microbitcoin, which is 1,000,000th of a Bitcoin, 0.0000001 BTC. Sometimes referred to as bits. *Satoshi, SAT. This is the smallest unit of Bitcoin, equal to 100 millionth of a Bitcoin, 0.000000001 BTC. Simply select the unit you prefer by tapping on it. The Bitwala app should then automatically update your Bitcoin balance and transaction history to reflect your chosen unit. You can switch between these units at any time, so feel free to experiment and see which one you find most intuitive and convenient for your Bitcoin activities here in Nigeria. Choosing the right Bitcoin unit on Bitwala is a small tweak, but it can significantly improve your understanding and interaction with your Bitcoin. It's about making your crypto experience more comfortable and tailored to your preferences. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.